بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قد سمع الله قول التي تجادلك في زوجها وتشتكي إلى الله والله يسمع تحاوركما إن الله سميع بصير الذين يظاهرون منكم من نسائهم ما هن أمهاتهم إن أمهاتهم إلا اللائي ولدنهم وإنهم ليقولون منكرا من القول وزورا وإن الله لعفو غفور.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Indeed, Allah has heard the statement of she that disputes with you, O Muhammad, concerning her husband, and complains to Allah. And Allah hears the argument between you both. Surely Allah is all-hearer, all-seer. Those among you who make their wives unlawful to them by saying to them, "You are like my mother's back," they cannot be their mothers. None can be their mothers except those who gave them birth. And surely they utter ill words and a lie. And surely Allah is oft pardoning, oft forgiving.
والذين يظاهرون من نسائهم ثم يعودون لما قالوا فتحرير رقبة من قبل أن يتماسا ذلكم توعظون به والله بما تعملون خبير. فمن لم يجد فصيام شهرين متتابعين من قبل أن يتماسا فمن لم يستطع فإطعام 60 مسكينا ذلك لتؤمنوا بالله ورسوله وتلك حدود الله وللكافرين عذاب أليم.
And those who make their wives unlawful to them and wish to free themselves from what they uttered, the penalty is the freeing of a slave before they touch each other. That is an admonition to you, and Allah is all aware of what you do. And he who cannot find the money for freeing a slave must fast for 2 successive months before they both touch each other. And for him who is unable to do so, he should feed 60 poor persons. That is in order that you may have perfect faith in Allah and His Messenger. These are the limits set by Allah. And for disbelievers there is a painful torment.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله كبتوا كما كبت الذين من قبلهم وقد أنزلنا آيات بينات وللكافرين عذاب مهين.
Surely those who oppose Allah and His Messenger will be disgraced, as those before them among past nations were disgraced. And we have sent down clear proofs, signs and revelations, and for the disbelievers is a disgracing torment.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فينبئهم بما عملوا أحصاه الله ونسوه والله على كل شيء شهيد.
On the day when Allah will resurrect them all together and inform them of what they did, Allah has kept account of it, while they have forgotten it. And Allah is witness over all things.
ألم تر أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ما يكون من نجوى 3 إلا هو رابعهم ولا 5 إلا هو سادسهم ولا أدنى من ذلك ولا أكثر إلا هو معهم أينما كانوا ثم ينبئهم بما عملوا يوم القيامة إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Do you not see that Allah knows of whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth? There is no secret council of 3, but He is the 4th, nor of 5, but He is the 6th, nor of less than that or more, but He is with them wherever they may be. And afterwards, on the day of resurrection, He will inform them of what they did. Surely, Allah is the all-knower of everything.
ألم تر إلى الذين نهوا عن النجوى ثم يعودون لما نهوا عنه ويتناجون بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وإذا جاءوك حيوك بما لم يحيك به الله ويقولون في أنفسهم لولا يعذبنا الله بما نقول حسبهم جهنم يصلونها فبئس المصير.
Have you not seen those who were forbidden to conspire secretly, and afterwards returned to that which they were forbidden, and conspired together for sin and wrongdoing and disobedience to the messenger? And when they come to you, they greet you with a greeting which Allah has not decreed for you, and then say to themselves, why does Allah not punish us for what we say? Hell will be sufficient for them. They will burn there, and worst indeed is that destination.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا تناجيتم فلا تتناجوا بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وتناجوا بالبر والتقوى واتقوا الله الذي إليه تحشرون.
O you who believe, when you hold secret councils, do not do so for sin and wrongdoing and disobedience towards the messenger, but do so for righteousness and piety, and fear Allah, to whom you shall be gathered.
إنما النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا وليس بضارهم شيئا إلا بإذن الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Secret counsels and conspiracies are only from Satan, in order that he may cause grief to the believers. But he cannot harm them in the least, except as Allah permits, and in Allah let the believers put their trust.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا قيل لكم تفسحوا في المجالس فافسحوا يفسح الله لكم وإذا قيل انشزوا فانشزوا يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات والله بما تعملون خبير.
O you who believe, when you are told to make room in the assemblies, spread out and make room. Allah will make ample room for you from His mercy. And when you are told to rise up, rise up. Allah will exalt in degrees those of you who believe and those who have been granted knowledge. And Allah is well acquainted with what you do.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا ناجيتم الرسول فقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقة ذلك خير لكم وأطهر فإن لم تجدوا فإن الله غفور رحيم. أأشفقتم أن تقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقات فإذ لم تفعلوا وتاب الله عليكم فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأطيعوا الله ورسوله والله خبير بما تعملون.
O you who believe, when you want to consult the messenger in private, spend something in charity before your private consultation. That will be better and purer for you. But if you cannot find the means for it, then surely Allah is oft-forgiving, most merciful. Are you afraid of spending in charity before your private consultation with Him? If you did not do it and repented afterwards, then Allah has forgiven you. Perform prayer and give charity and obey Allah, and Allah is all aware of what you do.
ألم تر إلى الذين تولوا قوما غضب الله عليهم ما هم منكم ولا منهم ويحلفون على الكذب وهم يعلمون عد الله لهم عذابا شديدا إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله فلهم عذاب مهين لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
Have you, O Muhammad, not seen these hypocrites who take for friends a people upon whom is the wrath of Allah? They are neither of you nor of them, and they deliberately swear to falsehoods. Allah has prepared for them a severe torment. Evil indeed is that which they used to do. They have made their oaths a screen for their evil actions. Thus they hinder men from the path of Allah, so they shall have a humiliating torment. Their children and their wealth will not avail them in the least against Allah. They will be the dwellers of the fire, to dwell there forever.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فيحلفون له كما يحلفون لكم ويحسبون أنهم على شيء ألا إنهم هم الكاذبون. استحوذ عليهم الشيطان فأنساهم ذكر الله أولئك حزب الشيطان ألا إن حزب الشيطان هم الخاسرون.
On the day when Allah will resurrect them all together for account, they will swear to Him as they swear to you, and they think that they have something to stand on. Surely they are liars. Satan has overtaken them. He has made them forget the remembrance of Allah. They are the party of Satan. Surely it is the party of Satan that will be the losers.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله أولئك في الأذلين كتب الله لأغلبن أنا ورسلي إن الله قوي عزيز.
Those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, they will be among the lowest. Allah has decreed, surely it is I and my messengers who shall be victorious. Surely Allah is all-powerful, almighty.
لا تجد قوما يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر يوادون من حاد الله ورسوله ولو كانوا آباءهم أو أبناءهم أو إخوانهم أو عشيرتهم أولئك كتب في قلوبهم الإيمان وأيدهم بروح منه ويدخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه أولئك حزب الله ألا إن حزب الله هم المفلحون.
You, O Muhammad, will not find any people who believe in Allah in the last day, making friendship with those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even though they are their fathers, or their sons, or their brothers, or their kindred. For such, He has written faith in their hearts, and strengthened them with light and true guidance from Himself. And we will admit them to gardens under which rivers flow, to dwell there forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they with Him. They are the party of Allah. Surely it is the party of Allah that will be the successful.
صدق الله العلي العظيم.